Well, it's road test time, and so I'm going to call this one a win.
Put the patch on, okay? So open up the packaging. In short, the instructions basically say that it's supposed to be 70 degrees on the exhaust. And I went ahead and grabbed my infrared thermometer here, and it's about 74 to 82 degrees currently down there. Remove the brown paper from the bandage, and then discard the clear liner from both sides of the bandage. So I've never done this before, so I have way more bandage than I'm going to need. So real quick, I got one piece is tacky underneath there. Basically, special tool is what I found to work. And so let's take care of that and get under the car.
Well, it's road test time. I've got the tape on it, and the instructions basically say to give it 20 minutes of idling or driving, and so far it's great. I don't know that it's going to last super long, but yeah, now it's, one of those wonderful things where I don't have this, pup exhaust noise. Instead, I get to hear more knocks and bumps and suspension things, and I can hear the engine again, which is kind of interesting. So anyway, no more leak in the exhaust for the time being. So I'm going to call this one a win.